Okay, kids, clap your hands. Stamp your feet. If you're sad, that's okay. Just put it in your pocket for later. Ready?
I've got dolls that giggle and balls that bounce, a jack-in-the-box that screams real loud. I've got puzzles missing pieces, but we love them anyway, 'cause some things don't need to be found. I've got paint on my fingers, glue in my hair, a smile stitched on just right. If the world feels scary, hey, look over there. It's a duck on a unicycle, good night. Sometimes toys get quiet, that's when you wind them again. Honk if you can hear me, honk if you're still there. If you're lost in all the static, just follow the laughter in the air. Honk if you remember how you used to smile. We're playing your voice on repeat, 'cause we miss you just a little while. I once met a man with a crooked tie and a camera full of cheer. He didn't ask why my nose was red. He asked, what makes you laugh, my dear? So I showed him a wand that explodes confetti and a bear with one sad ear. He laughed like it mattered, like I mattered. I replay that sound right here. Honk, honk if you can hear me, honk through the screen. If you fell out of the broadcast, we'll find you in between. Honk if you're still smiling, even if you're scared. There's a whole toy shop of people who know you still care. Okay, everybody freeze. Now wiggle your fingers. Now wiggle your toes. If you've ever lost something important, don't worry, we're still looking. I keep a teddy in the storage room. Smells like smoke and old days. I hug it tight, then wipe my eyes, then paint my smile back in place. 'Cause joy is a trick you practice until it becomes real. And laughter's just bravery in shoes with squeaky heels. Okay, honk if you can hear us, honk back home. California's still noisy and your seat's not taken. No! Honk if you're out there falling or hiding or stuck mid-show. We saved your laugh, we saved